Hello everyone, I'm Vincent White, still an employment attorney, and you get two videos today because something disturbing just happened. Mayor de Blasio, no comment, released a statement that if you are coming from one of the 5 coronavirus hotspot countries, and those include China, Japan, Iran, South Korea, or Italy, if you've been in one of those countries recently, what they're asking is that you immediately self-quarantine yourself in New York City. You go home, you don't come out immediately, so as not to potentially infect others. Now, he didn't really define what recently is, but it seems like the World Health Organization, the CDC, seems to be saying 14 days, as best we can put together, and as being reported by news agencies. So, first and foremost here, if that fits you, if you've been in one of those countries in the past 14 days, I implore you, self-quarantine, not as your lawyer, but as someone who wants good things for human beings. 2, if your employer is giving you a hard time about your desire to self-quarantine to comply with the mayor's directive, call an employment attorney immediately. There may be things that we can do to help you, and it would be to your benefit, to your employer's benefit, and to society's benefit if you comply. So please, don't let your employer bully you. Not that you would. I know you're all employee rights activists. That's why you listen to the channel. But if anyone you know is being pushed to come in when they shouldn't, when they should be self-quarantining, call an employment attorney. It doesn't have to be us. Any employment attorney will do. I think any employment attorney in this field would take the time to help you, I would hope, free of charge. And then 2, I made a video about this earlier in the week, but I want to reiterate. Things are starting to get dicey in terms of this infection. This virus is picking up steam in New York, and if you are immune compromised, if you are more susceptible to picking up a virus than the average population, you need to speak to your doctor about what reasonable accommodations you may need during this potential epidemic. Okay? So go to your doctor or call your doctor. Even better. The less you go out, the better, right? Call your doctor who knows your health condition and say, hey, what do I need to do? And if you need to change your work routine, or if you need accommodations in the workplace, then get a letter from your doctor detailing what you need and get those accommodations. If someone fights you on your accommodations, that is a potential claim. Speak to an employment attorney immediately. Again, listen, I can't say that anybody's going to run a case for you necessarily in 2 weeks, but I think any employment attorney worth their salt would intercede on your behalf and write a letter trying to get you the accommodations you need so you don't have to risk dying or getting a very serious illness because you're immune compromised, right? So we're all here. We're supposed to be helping people in this industry. Let us help. If you're in a situation where you're going to lose your job, if you don't come in and risk your life, call an employment attorney immediately. Anyways, on just a kind of a practical note, I hope everyone takes this seriously. I don't want to panic anyone. I'm sure it's all going to be fine. The fatality rates are concerning, but I think if we're smart about this, we can really minimize that. And hopefully, we're all out there making smart decisions. If I can answer questions, if I can help in some way, give me a call. I'm here. This is not me trying to get business. I don't think this is a business situation. This is a situation where we're trying to intercede to help people get their rights so they can stay home and everyone can be safer. All right. Stay safe out there.